I first came to Scottsdale in 1974, business trips, and came here every year after that for business, and always loved the area. And it was that unique combination of desert and saguaro and weather. And after living on the East Coast for 35 years, decided to, eliminate snow and potholes and slop. And that's how we ended up here. Scottsdale appealed to us, not so much Scottsdale as such, but the little fact that you're living in the middle of the high Sonoran Desert. And this is the only place in the world that those saguaros you see grow. We started looking for real estate, and I don't play golf, I don't play tennis, but this community offers a lot of amenities that just make your lifestyle better. We were here as part-time residents, and a gated community offers security. Well, this home was built on Sweet Acacia Drive. It took a couple years to build, a lot of steel and concrete, a lot of glass. And it's unique on this side of the street because it parallels the 11th fairway. There's 7 tee boxes on the 11th fairway. So it's a gorgeous place to live, and you have the best view of Pinnacle Peak. You get up in the morning and everywhere you look, there's greenery, there's rocks, and there's a great Pinnacle Peak. So it's a great, great view. So I think that makes this different, and I think the house is particularly designed and situated for the great view. I remember when I first saw the home, I said, I'm going to buy it. I mean, it's pretty simple. Actually, it was a combination of this view. It's a swimming pool, a water feature, and Pinnacle Peak, and I said, that's what I want. You don't want to live in a dark house without views. And this gives you the access of being outside in great weather with just spectacular views. You can't buy them. This house was originally configured as about 6,800 square feet and had 5 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms. We have converted this into our usable space, which is 3 large master suites followed by 2 offices or 2 personal space. It sounds big, 6,800 square feet, sounds large. It lives small. I mean, there's a large communal kitchen, living, family area that's literally out in the desert because of all the glass. So if you want to have your personal space to watch TV, read a book, binge on Netflix, whatever you want to do, there's several personal spaces here that you can kind of escape to. So it's really not a big house, but it's big if you want it. We just made it ours. We'd seen so many Tuscans and territorials and things like that. We wanted to make this more of a Southwest contemporary because the glass was here, the stone was here. So what we did was give it a sleek interior. So we basically did all the surfaces except the stone, and we did all the bathrooms and put in hardwood and resurfaced walls and things like that. Doors, walls, new kitchen, appliances, HVAC. I mean, there was a lot. When you're here and you wake up and it's that crisp, clear, Sonoran desert, dry. Everybody loves to just come outside. And you can go upstairs and sit, you can sit down here, and the crisp, clear mornings are phenomenal. Just like a crisp, clear night, having dinner out here. It's just special. It's that combination of view and environment. You just can't beat it. You have this unencumbered view because it's one of the larger lots, and it's really the only one that gives you this parallel 11th fairway. I mean, Michael Jordan's played out. I mean, it's kind of weird. You're sitting here and there goes Michael Jordan. There goes the bread truck, Charles Barkley. There goes, I won't name them, but we've got NBA players, NBA coaches, NFL coach, plus my neighbors. It's kind of fun to see them go by. And you're not going to see that anywhere else. This is just a great spot. I've lived here for 12 years and I've loved every minute. I mean, everything from the neighborhood to the neighbors to the amenities. But I've really enjoyed this house. I'll probably never have another view in another house like this. But after 12 years and personal circumstances, it's just time for me to go on a different adventure. And I hope the owner enjoys and appreciates the view and the amenities and the flow of the house as much as I did.